You're not going to get on with everyone, you're not going to be friends with everyone, but still doesn't mean that you have to be horrible to people.
No one should ever feel left out because of the race, disabilities, or just anything that makes someone feel out of place. Everyone should be included in everything they do, and no one should be left out of anything.
It's really important. The workshops are there to empower young people to understand what racism is, what stereotypes are, what hate crime is, and to hopefully send them away with the tools and the knowledge to spot and effectively challenge racism or hate crime if they see it out in their communities, clubs, schools, teams, anywhere they are basically. We want the messages to empower them to challenge in a safe way when they witness anything that could be racism or hate crimes.